computer. So, Chris and Joanne, thank you for attending your pre-Kena seminar with us. Today, the 11th day of September, the year of our Lord 2025. Thank you for your active participation and all the things that we have discussed. We expect your application, your putting them into practice so you can enjoy the benefits of marriage. So far, I want to hear your feedback for today's session. Can I start with Chris, please?
Yes po, I really appreciate this seminar. I surely have learned new things, especially about marriage, on how to fulfill my responsibilities as husband and, of course, as a future father, and of course, on how to center our marriage and relationship with God. So I recommend this seminar because father is very friendly and not intimidating. Like you can share whatever experiences you had, and of course, father is very good in giving advices based on the Bible or science. That's all po.
Thank you, Chris, for endorsing.
Yes po.
Salamat. Si Joanne naman.
Hello, hi Father. I recommend this seminar po kasi marami tayong matututunan from marriage to being a good wife and to being a good mother po. And di ka rin, gaya ng sinabi ni Chris po, di po intimidating po si Father kasi parang napaka-open lang po. Parang friend mo lang din siya na nasi-share ng problems. Ganyan lang po.
Yes. Thank you so
Yes,
much. Thank you, Joanne and Chris, for your time.
Father, thank you po. Salamat.
very
Yeah.
much.
Hoping to see you soon. No? Pagkapasya ko in Manila,
Yes
ha?
po.
Yes, Father.
Nasa Facebook lang ako. Add nyo ako as friend.
Yes,
Sige
Father.
po.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much. Thank you po.
Bye-bye. Have a nice
Salamat
day.
po. Bye-bye. Thank you po.
Bye.